session we talked about a continuous line drawing, and this is the one that I did from the sunflowers. So it was just a little go at drawing and recording shape and trying to use a pencil quite freely rather than, you know, getting ourselves het up with trying to create a masterpiece, but just to try and just go with the flow of drawing and see where it takes us. So this was my sunflower, and the purpose of doing this exercise is to get you to look and to draw from actually what you see rather than what you think you see. Okay, the other thing that you can do is, this is really useful for using things like mark making, and I think we've done this in our learning in the past where we've used our pencil to create different lines and marks to show texture. So from looking at the inside of the sunflower, we can see it's got all these little marks, all these little dots and dashes, so we can use our pencil to do that. Now if we're doing it in continuous line, we might find that we have to go back over again over several times. Now with a continuous line you can have a little bit of fun. So once you've had a go at, say, a few of them, they're really quick to do. You can have a go in different materials. I'm just using pencil today, but you could do fine liners, felt tips, coloured pencils, all sorts of biros are good, all sorts of different materials. I'm going to give you some really good artist links to look at as well, so you can see how other people have done it. Vince Lowe is a very good one, but you can also look at artists like Nicola Hicks, Picasso, Henry Moore, all who've explored this as a technique. Once you've got had a go at a series of continuous line drawings, just fill a double page spread in your sketchbook and really familiarise yourself and have a little bit of fun. Don't worry if it doesn't look like a complete masterpiece at this stage, it probably won't. It's just a case of recording shape. Once you've done that, I want us to have a little go at overlapping drawings. So I've had a little quick go at another continuous line drawing of a sunflower. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another continuous line drawing over the top. Okay, now this could be done in the same media, could be done in pencil again like I'm doing now, or you could have a go, right, I'm going to do a pencil one and then I'm going to go over the top with biro. Whatever you're drawing, it's probably a good idea to make it linked to your theme. So if your theme is on flowers, then you know you're going to be drawing flowers, but if you want to use your theme is more about say fashion, you might look at trainers and do these in a continuous line way. And again, you can see at this stage I'm very much just drawing the shape and the outline, and it's one continuous line, and then I'm going to use a pencil to create some interesting marks in the center. Okay, so once you've had a little continuous line drawing, then what you can do is you can also rotate. So you can rotate your drawings and produce not only overlapping drawings, but drawings which actually move around and come into contact with each other. And again, you can do this maybe 4 times with the same media, or you can use you know, different media for each drawing. So this is continuous line drawing where we're actually overlapping a drawing, and we're already creating quite a lot of studies on shape on our particular you know, theme or whatever our project's about. We're already creating quite a lot on shape and form just by overlapping and recording in continuous line. Okay, so that's continuous line with a rotation, and as I say, you can start to overlap. You could build biro drawings on top. You could even do it with a brush and ink. Okay.